Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Cadillac Driven. Thank you guys for being very supportive. We always got to thank you guys for the tremendous support that you guys been giving us. For those of you all who have subscribed, thank you. For the newcomer who's new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Make sure everybody hits that like button on the way out so you can help Cadillac Driven get put into that algorithm so it can get out to more people. All right, with that being said, listen, you all, yes, I'm going to let you know why I started Cadillac Driven. And I know most of you all are probably thinking, yeah, you started it because of the money. That's only partially why, right? I have to be able to conceive the idea first. So we're going to tell you exactly how that happened and why we chose to put Cadillac on the map. All right, with that being said, let's get started with this video. All right, you all, we are back. So let's go ahead. Let's talk about it. I'm going to tell you how Cadillac Driven came about. But before I get started, I want to tell you that if you're thinking about starting your own car vlog, whether it be Cadillac, whether it be you want to talk about your Palisade, your Hyundai, you want to talk about your BMW, you can start your own car vlog. It is very easy. If you watch a couple of videos like mine and others, like specifically like people who are doing Charger videos, Scat Pack, Challenger videos, you can get ideas. They give you a few ideas to start off with, like you could talk about what I don't like about my car, what I like about my car, the features of my car. That's going to get you started. Then after those things, then you're going to have to get creative so far as the things you want to talk about, so far as your channel and your car is concerned. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get started. Now, I got hit in 2019. I was in a car accident and I got rear-ended really, really bad, which just tore up the back end of my car. Of course, the bumper, the muffler system, it buckled the undercarriage of the car, which means that had to be replaced. The guy had to be doing at least 70 miles an hour to 80 miles an hour when he hit me. They thought he might have been texting. I didn't care. I'm just really glad that, you know, I was able to keep my life. So I wasn't injured badly or anything like that. But of course, the car had to go to the shop. Now, when the car went to the shop, of course, the auto body place told me that Cadillac is on strike and that those parts are going to be kind of a long time coming because they don't know when Cadillac is going to get off strike. Well, Cadillac was on strike for about 2 months prior to me getting hit, right? So they're just kind of fresh off into this. And then another thing happened, right? Now I had to find a place that was CT6, Cadillac CT6 certified in order for them to work on my car. And the body shop that normally works on my car was not certified. Now, who knew you had to be certified in order to work on a car? And then you had to be part of a program, which means you had to pay $4,000 a year in order to be part of this program. The auto body place apologized time and time again. It was not their fault. I let them know. I thanked them. But then through the insurance company, I had to find a place that was certified and part of this program in order to work on my car. We did. We still had to wait on the parts. My car ended up being in the shop for 8 months straight. For those of you all who know me, who know my car, know I was sick. There's nothing like your car. I don't care what rental car you get. It doesn't drive like yours. It doesn't feel like yours. A lot of the time, it doesn't have the features close to what you have on your car. I hate driving rental cars. Now, I'm grateful to be able to have driven a car to be able to get back and forth to work, but it is very uncomfortable for me. All right. So again, 8 months, my car is in the shop. In between time, about the 4th month, I started missing my car really, really badly. So I started watching YouTube videos on my car just to see what it looked like, because the Cadillac CT6 is rare. You rarely see this car around. I can almost count on one hand as the times I've seen my car. Right. So I started watching the YouTube videos, then other videos started dropping in like Mopar, Challengers, You talk about charger videos, and I started watching them videos, and that's how I got the bright idea that I could start my own car vlog when I get my car out. I'm thinking about keeping it. I started getting ideas as to what I can do watching these videos, right? And that's what I'm telling you. If you want to do your own car vlog, it is very simple. It is very easy. You don't have to go out and buy no expensive equipment or anything like that, right? So I'm ready. So when my car gets out, we're going to put some rims on it. We're going to get some new tires. I had already looked it up. And I also found out what I wanted to do on the inside. I was going to get a chip performance put in this car, so therefore it runs better on gas. I had a bunch of ideas for content for this video, and I sat down, I thought about it. I wanted it to be specific to the car I was driving, kind of like what a lot of people that's doing the Camaro videos, the Challenger, the Charger videos, the SRT Durangos. So that's how I came up with Cadillac Driven. And it's been on ever since. And I want to thank you guys. Because of you, definitely the channel is growing slowly. But again, as I keep saying, it is definitely growing. So yes, that's how Cadillac Driven came about on YouTube. So if you're thinking about starting your own car vlog, go ahead. If I can answer any questions, hit me in the comment section down below. I will answer the questions to the best of my ability. If not, I will go find out for you. But it is a way to make extra money, especially during times like this. There's a lot of people who lost their jobs. Some of them may have gotten jobs, but it is nowhere near the pay that they were getting from the job that they had before the pandemic happened. This is a way to make some extra money, but you will have to put some work in. There is some work involved in order to build your channel. As you can see, I think I'm at 126 subscribers already, which I love all of you all. I try to answer all your responses in the comment section down below. But I feel so grateful to have you all a part of the channel, a part of the family, and I'm having fun doing these videos. All right. So again, I want to thank everybody on TikTok who's been watching my videos. I want to thank everybody in my Cadillac groups on Facebook, and definitely I want to thank the people who have subscribed to the channel and the people who have been following and supporting the channel. All right. And if you have any questions, again, hit me in the comment section down below. I answer them as best as I can. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Today is Sunday. You'll get this video on Monday. Enjoy. Have some fun with family and friends. But remember, please, you all, be safe out there.